Kalla. Only briefly, brief.
Yes, sir.
The text.
Sir, we are India is an agrarian country, and the Green Revolution has made India into self-sufficient and, in some cases, even surplus in some types of food, sir. But unfortunately, in the recent past, farmers who are behind this outstanding achievement are resorting to suicides. The fundamental reasons taking such extreme steps is increase in input costs, loss in agriculture operations, spurious seeds and fertilizers, lack of minimum supply price, pathetic marketing of their produce, and many other things, including vagaries of nature, sir, which farmers are constantly either praying for rain or praying for no rain. So the second dangerous trend is also growing rapidly, that farmers are leaving agricultural operations by selling their small land holdings and migrating to urban areas, as they're not able to get 2 square meals a day. If this continues, sir, we'll have to move back to ship-to-mouth type of situation, and this is not a healthy sign for Indian agriculture. The reason I'm bringing all of this is to address this for the first time in the country. Our CM, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, has decided to have a separate budget for agriculture and started doing this from last year itself, sir, from the current year itself, to help make agriculture profitable and sustainable, and to extend a helping hand to our rural economy to regain its lost glory and finally make farmers prosperous. So I request the Honourable Prime Minister, who has resolved to double the income of farmers by 2022, to please have a separate budget for agriculture, which will definitely help in achieving this ambitious goal. Thank you, sir.